Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me show you guys everything I've been working on here these last 2 days since I made this video. Appreciate all the support on this video, by the way. Um, I've done quite a bit of different things I've played around with. We've been streaming some vibe coding stuff. I made a little Void Blaster game. This was actually like really bad. I tried making like a copy of Dookie Dash and like some other video game stuff. I made a little roast my portfolio thing. Absolutely terrible slop ideas. One prompters really. DCA calculation, we kept working on this one. This is the one that came from our first app. It actually got quite a bit of love on Twitter. I had posted updated stuff. I added stocks and stuff to it so you can actually kind of see. I actually feel like this is good. Like if you guys want to test that one out yourself, it's dcacalculation.com. You can see, like, for example, if you bought Tesla stock the day that Elon Musk bought X, which would be that day right there. And then Tesla, let's say you bought $10 a day of Tesla since then, you would be up over the last 4 years, 5 bands. You can share your P&L image. We had quite a few people sharing some P&L images, which I thought was really cool. One of my main goals with this stuff is kind of just like seeing other people use it really. So Remus tweeted like a neat thing, and then Corbin tweeted, if you invested 10 days per ETH for 5 years straight, I'd be down 1.3%. So I think it's really cool. Obviously, the main goals with building stuff that by yourself without like developers and stuff is, have people use it and obviously make money. We can still experiment with that part. I know many people who have put out like 50 apps and it wasn't until like their 51st that they really saw a dollar. But yeah, let's see. Other than that, I worked on like some Notion sort of competitors for some stuff, a meme coin tracking journal, and then a little blackjack like edge that'll tell you like the live count of stuff. I was playing like blackjack yesterday on shuffle, and like I just wanted to know like what the exact hands probabilities were to be. Like if dealer has 6 and I have 14, for example, I have a 42% chance of winning. Stand this hand is what it says. If dealer has 10, it says hit this hand. Dealer has 8, it'll say hit. Dealer has 7, whatever the case is, maybe. And then what I built today, which is what we're really going to talk about in this video, is like I saw this guy Zach XBT, not the Zach that we all know, but this other guy named Zach XBT. He created this thing called bridge.gg, which I thought was pretty cool. I saw on the timeline. It's like a website where you can go and you bridge stuff like on dbridge and stuff, but you like literally see like a live presentation almost of it being like bridge. So I was like, you know what, this idea is pretty cool, and like I am trying to focus on building like crypto first stuff currently. So I was like, can I make something like this but for sending tokens, right? Obviously Solana's like really fast and stuff, so you don't really ever have these situations. So I was streaming and we started building base 44, and you'll see that throughout this whole video, but we started on base 44 building this app called Courier. I was asking Claude to what's it called? I was asking Claude to give me a prompt for it. I'll show you guys that right now. I'm opening here on my side. So I had Claude help me with some prompts for base 44. I was going to build it on Claude Code, and I did. I built both at the same time. I currently have Claude Code running in the background. Oh, actually, I think it just finished right now, actually, which is perfect for testing. But yeah, I built this little thing on base 44 plus Claude Code where you can pretty much send money. So this is real, right? I'm not going to publish this because I am kind of worried about how exactly it connects your wallet, right? I think that part is a little worrying. So I'm going to send money from Claude Test wallet to Peely's wallet, which is my AI agent destination. I'm going to send Peely 0.01 Solana, and I'm going to write a message in the Solana. Hi Peely, AI agent, keep killing it. So dispatch, and then it's just like a fun little way to send Solana tokens over, nothing too serious. And then obviously it is really connected with your Phantom wallet, and then you press this, and then you see the little character play the game, kill the mobs, and yeah, it's just supposed to be like a little funky way of sending over different tokens on the blockchain. Nothing too serious. And then when it's done, you'll see delivered on chain. You can click on the TX, and then if you go over to the memo on Solana, you will see that it says data right here. Hi Peely AI agent, keep killing it. So you can send little messages over on the Solana blockchain. And base 44 built the whole UI. You'll see kind of like in the raw version of this video that Claude Code had built something pretty bad. But yeah, guys, honestly, just been experimenting a lot with it. I hope you guys enjoy the raw session of me building this thing out, and I don't know if I'll make it public just yet. I'm not gonna publish it just because I am a little bit worried about that Phantom Wallet connection. I don't want to publish something and then like the URL get hijacked or something, and people get drained from using the site or whatever. But we'll figure it out and definitely polish it here in the next few days. Let me know your guys' opinions, what you guys think about the concept, the idea, and I hope to see you guys also building. Sign up to Base 44. Use my link. Thanks. All right, enjoy. Wasn't there that one guy who built like this like Zach XBT? Not that Zach, but this Zach. He built bridge.gg, making it fun to bridge. But you have to connect your wallet. Like, what does it use to do this? I'm like scared of connecting my wallet. Is that even real? Could be a scam? Nah, Zach is like a legit guy. I just mean more so like what's the thing he used to do this? Like I wonder if I could make something similar, but not for bridging, but for sending money over. Like, okay. I want to make this concept, but for sending money instead of bridging. So for example, if I were to send money from my Solana wallet to my friend's Solana wallet, maybe like a visual way where like some game character runs to deliver the crypto to the friend or something. Could I prompt base 44 to do so? I think that could be cool. Bro, man, why can't you just listen to the stream while you get food, bro? That's a sick concept. Basically turning a boring wallet-to-wallet transfer into a visual experience. Like instead of transaction confirmed, you watch the little character physically run / deliver the crypto. Let me check out Bridge.tg so I can see the vibe you're referencing. I don't think he's gonna have videos of Bridge. I might have to give him that because he's not gonna be able to actually see how it looks. I think maybe, yeah. So very cool. Watch this video. This is how it actually looks / works. Okay. Got it. Bridge.tv is a 3D experience where you watch your tokens. Yeah, great concept. You could absolutely prompt Base44 to build a version of this. What Base can realistically handle, okay? What it probably can't do natively. Actually execute on-chain transactions. Build a web app called Delivered. Make it feel like a game. Unfortunately, X blocks me from watching the video directly, but based on what I've gathered, Bridge.gg. If it comes out clean, you film the video around it. If you want the full 3D version later, that's a cursor / Claude Code project. So I can start on base 44 and then have Claude Code take over. But he's not about to hear your voice in the background. Damn, bro, you're not about it, bro. All right, get the core app working first. Base 44 lets you export the source code. Claude Code takes over. Okay. Yes. So I'm gonna let Claude write me a prompt. I'm going to. It's easier for me to edit everything on base 44 rather than like building the whole thing on Claude Code. Doesn't Bridge actually do it? Yes. We're gonna get to that point. Okay? It says do not worry about blockchain integration. No, but it says do not worry about actual blockchain integration. I mean, I'll fucking give it to him, but like, what do you mean? Like, why would I waste time? But why would I waste time building this on base 44 if we aren't actually integrating blockchain into it? Claude will add it after. Easily, you think? Nah, I get that, Spoil. I get that. Let me add my chat box, by the way. We'll add chat box right down here. Isn't it just copy paste code to add it? Yes. That's a waste of time. Just go straight into Claude Code and build a real thing from the jump. Visuals and Solana integration together. Claude Code can handle all of it. Want me to write you a Claude Code prompt that instead builds a full working version? I rather edit it first on base 44 as far as visuals go, because it's low-key more UI more user friendly than Claude Code. Now, the thing is about Claude Code is that it looks just like does stuff. I like seeing like the visual. That makes sense. Use base 44 as your visual playground to get the look, animations, and flow exactly how you want it without fighting a terminal. Then once the vibe is locked in, export the code and hand it over to Claude Code to wire up the real Solana stuff underneath. All right. So I guess let's wait for delivered to finish. It's a little scary though, like having like a website do your thing. Bounce. Yeah, all right, all good. Still doing this thing. Do you think J7 tracker is good to do that with? I've never used any of that, honestly, so I have no idea. This isn't really like what I had in mind either. Not really what I had in mind. Not really what I had in mind, to be honest. Are you able to build like a full stack game almost? Like, think Legend of Zelda character running to deliver this. Are you able to make this type of 3D experience? Okay, honestly, I'm not having too much luck with base 44 doing it. I'm gonna ask Claude Code to do it. Yes, base 44 isn't necessarily doing this for 3D based RPG game. Let's see, let's try both. Envy, your follow age is 21, August 11th, 2021. Who's your PFP? That's the Jeff guy, right? Okay. All right. Paste that into Claude Code. Let's do it. Oh, I need to download Git for Windows. Cause it's gonna do this on my Windows PC, I guess. Click here to download. Okay, I'm downloading Git real quick. I might chat too much. All right, let me try this again. 1. What the fuck is this? It's doing such a bad job. I'm just gonna let Claude Code do it right now. Let's see if this shit works now. Okay, make the test transaction go a lot slower. It is looking a little bit better, but it's too fast. Usually transactions aren't that fast, you know? Like at least make it 5 seconds long. Also, make the whole theme of the app like that RPG kind of same design we have going on for the actual like sort of transaction. Maybe we can call this Courier. Like how back in the days they used to have like couriers deliver stuff. What's up, Monkey Cooks Copy Trader? New quest. Are we getting somewhere? This looks a little bit better, right? Can we agree? Looking a lot better. Can you make the actual transaction a lot longer for now, at least 10 seconds, so that we can actually see how it goes? Yes, you can send messages, I believe. The same thing at the same time, though. What the fuck? Claude Desktop wants to connect. Name this browser. You can probably Claude Code Solana sender. I didn't know Claude Code could do that. Claude Code Solana 2. This is Claude Codes? Okay, anyways. Rebrand this to Courier from delivered, plus make it medieval themed, since that's what we're going for. Like, no, I don't want to give you that. What the fuck? Recipient wallet. The app is fully built and functional. Let me mark the task as complete. Is it really? Yo, my computer's overheating. I'm not even trolling. Like, I hear my computer like blowing the fuck up. Uh, 0.01. Hi from Claude Code. And it doesn't even fucking work. Delivered. Courier. Instead of purple background, use the same stuff like a castle, etc. Use actual medieval stuff. Make it fun. What do you think? Try shit again. Let me send one to Peely. 0.01. Hi Peely. Oh my god, wait, is this actually gonna work? Yo, this is so sus because like what is he using? Like, what is he using? Transaction sent. Pretty sure transaction should be complete by now in Solana, by the way. Delivered. Hi Peely. Did it actually send it? It did. So it really did send it. Did it say the message? How do you see messages in on SoulScan? I actually think Base 44 built out a pretty decent UI, like better than Claude Code did, to be honest. So if we can like actually get this to make it look like that, then I think it'd be pretty cool. You know, just kill all the enemies and stuff, and then deliver it to the castle, and then boom, one soul delivered, quest complete. I heard people are making a lot of money. Yeah, people are making a lot of money doing that. That is true. That is true. Okay, done. Done. Does this one have it? Verify you are human? Yes, sir, I will. So does this one have the message? Oh my god, it does. Yes, hello Peely Test 2. It does. Wow. So it does send messages, which is very cool. I like where this is going. Okay. I want to publish this now, but there's a few things I have to understand first. One, I like the UI/UX Base 44 made more. So your head is in the way we can't see. Oh, whoa, it's there. Look. Hello, Peely Test 2. Made more. So how can I give you that code simply so you use their UI? 2, what are we using to make these transactions? I don't want to post something where people connect their wallet without fully understanding where the safety is at. 3, how easy would it be to add more chains, Ethereum, etc.? All right, let's understand this 3 stuff real quick, and then I think, like, for version 1, we can pretty much call it here, I think. Like, if we can get it to say a message on chain with base 44, I think it's pretty fucking okay. Do you know what I'm saying? Um, base 44, the simplest way to export the code is if base 44 has an option to export. Does it? How do I export the code to get the entire UI/UX and give it to Claude Code? Is this something you're thinking about pursuing and making public? What? This specific idea? No. I'm just like fucking around. Vibe coding is just like, honestly, I find it very cool, and like I want to like just stay ahead of the game, to be honest. I don't know. Nothing like too specific I'm looking out of it. Wallet connection uses Solana at wallet adapter. Phantom holds them and signs internally. See, I don't know how I feel about this, man. This is as safe as any Solana dApp. The user's wallet Phantom is a security layer. We can't drain funds, change destinations, or do anything the user doesn't explicitly approve in their wallet pop-up. That said, for production, you should X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z. Okay. You can sync your base 44 to a GitHub repo and then work with it locally on Claude Code. This is what base 44 said. Okay, how do I do that? Go to your base 44 dashboard settings, GitHub sync. Base 44 dashboard is where? Download code files. Export, yep. Boom. Download started, okay. Send it Swift. If I send this in here, boom. Downloaded it instead as zip. Can you use this? What are you trying to do? I'm trying to get base 44's like UI/UX onto this right here, right? I am also a little scared about like the connecting your wallet thing, because like, I don't know, that just seems scary. I don't know if I want to publish this app yet. But I don't know, maybe it's fine. You get me? Like, what if like the domain gets fucking hijacked or something? Like, who knows? You get me? I don't know like what the security causes of that could be or whatever. What is it for? This is nothing crazy, to be honest. Just because where is it putting this code from though? What do you mean? Yeah, I don't really know. I just know I don't want to do so. Okay, all right, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the process of me building the whole thing. I will definitely polish this up. Subscribe if you guys are brand new to the channel. Gonna be posting a lot of more vibe coding stuff on here, but that was like pretty much the behind the scenes of how I built the whole thing. It is like literally 100% ready right now to be published and stuff. I just want to make sure a little bit more about the security with connecting people's wallet and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are brand new. Drop a like on the video, and peace out.